And what do we do when we're feeling sad? Add to cart. Wait, what? Initiate checkout. Oh my god, no, don't do this. Click here to purchase. No, why are you doing?
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it is actually Tuesday the 5th of July today. It's currently almost midday. You could probably tell in my voice, but Morgan has currently shared his germs with me. So yesterday I was just feeling really like tired and exhausted. I had no energy or anything like that, and then by yesterday evening my chest was all sore, my throat was sore, and then like in here underneath my eyes and stuff, like in your sinuses and everything, started getting sore. And then now my nose is blocked, my throat is sore, my eyes are watering. Fun times. So my whole week's worth of plans are basically up in the air at the moment. Depends on how I'm feeling, but obviously I don't want to film content sounding like this, so I don't even know if I'm gonna get up my videos this week. I do have some pre-filmed ones, but I promised a company that I would get one up for them on Wednesday, and I looked at the footage and it's really bad, so I really need to refilm it. Like the quality of the voice is really bad, so I really need to refilm that, but it will see how I feel tomorrow, if I can do it in the morning and then just edit and get it up.
Anna, hurry up! What? I'm ready. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers, so stop and follow me, bitch.
Attention, my makeup looks really good today. That is all.
Let's do this. My mum. My mum has passed away, so maybe need a rocket to get there. My dad is honey. He's far from honey. My BFF. Yeah, my husband. He's my best friend. My crush. Also my husband. Me, devil. I may look sweet, but am I really?
I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into baby, even on a worse night.
Morning guys, welcome to Friday the 8th of July. As you can probably tell, I'm still quite sick. I was feeling pretty good last night, went to bed, couldn't sleep as normal, and then I woke up this morning. I think I had maybe 4.5 hours sleep, and it was just really bad again. So I tried having an hour nap after I got Morgan to go to work, and then I've just been, you know, resting, relaxing, trying to recover. I did another COVID test. It was negative again. That's just the home ones though, not the PCR, not the ones at the thing, the proper ones we did last weekend. I think we're gonna go and get another proper PCR test though, just because Morgan's still got his lingering around, and then I've gotten worse again today, and then I got the phone call this morning, well probably about an hour ago, that my grandparents have unfortunately tested positive for COVID this morning. So both of them are currently sick. My grandma got sick a few days before I did. So I'm wondering whether I'm going to test positive now for COVID or what. I don't know yet, but yesterday I was like feeling really good last night. Like I knew it was still there, but you couldn't even like hear it in my voice anymore or anything like that. So I'm annoyed that I got sick again, like that it got worse again. I think I'm just rambling on. I apologize. I'm really not fully there with it at the moment. Morgan keeps saying that I'm like forgetting words and things like that. He's teasing me. I'm just on my way to the mother-in-law. She's not home right now. I'm just on my way there to drop her some food.
Hey,
Hey!
what are you doing?
Nothing!
Do you want to hang out later?
I do!
Pizza and a movie, maybe?
Sounds great!
Okay, I'll see you later.
Okay, I love you!
I love you too.
Never apologize for being a strong, powerful woman.
Hey guys, a quick check-in. It is actually Sunday the 9th of July right now. It's actually 4 p.m. in the afternoon. We've just been running around trying to find a lamp for our lounge room. We can't find any that we like. Well, we found one that we like, but we just wish the individual arms would move. So we're gonna go home and I'm gonna look online before we settle on that one. I don't want to go and spend that much money on something that isn't perfect. And all the cheaper looking ones just wouldn't work for us. We basically want to put it behind our lounge because the main light in the middle of the lounge room glares on the TV where the TV is. We didn't put the TV on the wall, the owners did, so we can't move it from the wall where it is. So right where the light is directly in the middle of the TV, which is really annoying. And it happens during the day and at night time, but during the day at least I can close like the curtains and stuff. So that's what we've been doing. It is my granddad's birthday today, so wish him a happy birthday. Unfortunately, I do have a bad update. Both my grandparents have COVID right now. Morgan and I are still sick, but not COVID.
Not yet anyway.
Yeah, not yet anyway. So yeah, we've just been to Muzz Buzz and got our second coffee for the day. Well, third coffee for the day, but the second Muzz Buzz.
In like 2 hours.
In like 2 hours. And Morgan just brought me a sewing machine from Spotlight. Once I set up the sewing machine and everything, I will show you it. I also got like a mannequin, a plus size mannequin too, with my measurements. Which is really good. What was it off? Like 4 centimeters or something off the hips, and that's it. Yeah. So
Put a towel around it.
put a towel around it, make it have bigger hips. Yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I've been wanting a mannequin for ages now for my videos and my plus size clothing and stuff. And for it will also come in handy for when I'm selling my clothing and stuff, because now I have something to put on to sell. So this is my new mannequin. So you see here, I'm going to turn it wrong way, but see, she's nice and thick. And then I can make her a bit bigger using all of these to stretch it out, but looks really good. And this is the sewing machine that we decided to get. So it's the Singer Heavy Duty 4432. We got some scissors as well and some little snips. I just got a little starter kit thing for now, just to get me by. I'll probably grab some stuff from my grandparents, my grandma. Got some extra needles, and then cover that up. Then I got some discounts as well. Also, this was half price, so that's why we picked it up today.
I was born a dog. I identify as a dog, but according to my mom, it's just a baby.
Till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday 10th of July right now. We just finished at the shops. We went and watched the new Thor movie. Tried to have a play in the arcade, but it was like really hot in there. It's like as though everybody's turned their air cons like off, haven't they?
Yeah.
And like their heaters up or something. Just like no airflow inside the shopping centre, the cinemas, the arcade. It was also really busy, so like all the machines were being used, so we really couldn't do anything. So we went into the shops and I got myself a little mini haul from a Japanese store. Very exciting.
Yeah, you were excited.
Yeah. I might show you that when we get home. Otherwise I'll pop it in next week's vlog if I forget. But yeah, we had a pretty good day today. We're still a little sick, but we're feeling a lot better today, aren't we? So yeah, so we made a day of it. But that's about it for now. Yeah, we went out fully masked. We're still going in masked everywhere anyway, but especially now whilst we're sick as well, just to be on the safe side for everyone else as well as us. But yeah, I will chat to you guys later. Okay, mini haul time. I got this fan, nice big one. We couldn't tell the designs, so I told Morgan just to choose me a random one. I picked up some rainbow face masks because, I mean rainbow, hello. And you brought one pack and you get one for free. I picked up a grape soda and also a Fanta. I think this is white peach. My Japanese rusty, so don't quote me on that. Then I picked up some Pocky, chocolate Pocky and some strawberry Pocky. And then I saw these at the checkout. They're the high chews. I remember one of the host family absolutely loving these. So I picked up strawberry and grape flavour so that we can try them. We're going to do a taste test for you. I've had all of this before, but Morgan has not. I have not had this in years. Last time I went to Japan was 2006-ish, I think. So, yeah. Oh, look, they come in like little separate packs in there now. That's cool. So, yeah, this is the chocolate Pocky.
Nope, don't poop on a stick. Tastes like chocolate and crunchy bread.
I reckon it almost tastes like a pretzel without the salt and then dipped in chocolate. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, that was the chocolate one. Morgan likes that one. Let's see, what do you think's the strawberry ones? This is the strawberry. There's little strawberry pieces in it. Yummy.
Like strawberry yogurt on a stick.
Yeah, that's peach Fanta. Sorry.
That's weird.
Does it? Yeah, not my favourite. I think it's definitely white peach.
Try this one.
Careful. You wouldn't push the bowl down. Is there a bowl in that one?
No, it's just a can. Lid.
Normally they put bowls in the top that you push down. Or is that only in the glass bottles?
Probably just glass ones.
Okay, what do you think of the grape?
They're weird as well.
Tastes weird? Yeah, grape soda. Exactly how I remember it. You can get these type of sodas in the vending machines on like any street in Tokyo. We're gonna do one of each. So I'm gonna try strawberry and he's gonna try grape of these chews. Exactly what I remember. So Morgan liked it. Yeah?
Is that?
So he's gonna try a strawberry one. I'm gonna have a grape one. Okay, cool.
Right, like that.
I like strawberry better. You have the grape ones, I have the strawberries. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!